day, watching the time roll away, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, heading for that Frisco Bay. I got nothing to live for, looks like nothing's gonna come my way, so I'm just gonna sit right here on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. It looks like nothing's ever gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, this loneliness won't leave me alone. No, no, no. 2,000 miles I rode just to make this dock my home, and I'm just gonna sit right here on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Now, Otis was a great songwriter. He wrote part of Dock of the Bay. He had songs like Try a Little Tenderness, These Arms Are Mine. You know what, folks? He even had a song that pretty much had one word in the verse. That's right, just one word. It went like this. See if you remember it. Fat, 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 fat. Anybody remember that song? Okay, probably not. But I bet you remember the next one, because he wrote the biggest song Aretha Franklin ever had. Otis Redding wrote Respect. That's right. Now get ready to whistle. It's coming up at the end of the song, and I need you. Hey, it looks like nothing's ever gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, this loneliness won't leave me alone. No, no. 2,000 miles I rode just to make this dock my home, and now I'm just gonna sit right here on the dock of the bay, watching time